When I tell you I love this thing, look, it can change color on the fire. Or the logs, excuse me. I had to do a review for them, and I don't typically do these. And then the heat, of course, you can adjust here on the remote. And what I love the most about it is the flame. Bear with me. I'm not good at doing reviews. That's not the one. Where did it go? There it goes. So if you want to change your rock color with that. And then I love these doors. They're like a thin iron or metal, I guess. I love the large flame. I cannot stand the ones, so many of them have a small flame. So what I like the most is this huge flame. Excuse me, I'm terrible at recording. Okay, let's try to change the color again. This will not do me justice. And stay in there, stay there. I see a thing in this side. I don't know if I'm supposed to pull it down or up to make it stay open, but there's a little thing here on the side. You may have to pull this down or up. I think you could swivel this piece out and make it stay open. Let's try that. Oh, that didn't do it. I might be doing it wrong. But, okay, so that's one thing. But other than that, I love the flame. And that's how I'm going to call it. Go red. Change your rock color. I have rocks in the living room in that fireplace. But this, I adore it. And I also love the vintage look. So, yep. And you can even see it from the side. It's almost like a projector. It's a 3D. It looks 3D-ish. I don't know if I told you that right, but it's awesome. So, I give it a 10 out of 10.
There is no book large enough. Do you recall about what time that was that you started reading? Again? Sorry about that. No, I do.
Can you imagine how much it's gonna take out of her to call this guy sir in this courtroom?
At the time that you decided to speech right now? We're gonna go forward a little bit.
See, but it was.
As the prosecutor gets redirected, he asks all these questions. Here you go.
You testified on direct examination that you don't recall whether or not you saw more than one person in that vehicle. You remember meeting on December 2nd, 2021, for interview with Detective Dave Carpenter?
I remember they ended up going as people had a couple of conversations.
Do you remember telling Detective Carpenter that you only observed the driver in the vehicle?
So I received my little fireplace today. It is perfect for the space that I need it for. Everything works perfectly. The flames are super realistic, as well as the logs. You do not have to have the doors open for the remote to work. It is metal, not plastic. Gives a great little ambiance. Have the side view, which is a bonus, instead of it looking like a box. For the quality and the price, well worth it, in my opinion. Thank you.
That's all I've ever seen myself as a father. I really, really, really want to be a father.
I do want to interject here, for a second, and Zach, to your point about wanting to be a dad, right? There are other ways for you two to have a family. And so I don't want you both to kind of rule this out.
My biggest thing is I don't want you to go through things alone. You've been doing so much by yourself without anybody there to support you. And I want to be that guy. And me being with you is the only thing that's really made sense lately.
Come for me. Looky here.
So you're the one that I want to be with to have this happy life. And
Blue. And we can make it faster. Very nice.
It's plugged in. The remote is not working. Showing you right here, I'm turning it on and off with the remote. You would have to physically open it. You can even touch this. It's not hot at all. Look. And it's been on for 30 minutes now.
They say she can make things appear out of thin air.
Hey, you guys want to come in? My mom made dinner.
Maybe.
Hey Maurice, do you want to play baseball with us today?
Of course I do. You know what?
I can't read.